Things are calming down here at Cape Coyote as we proceed with the launch of the Estes Protostar, which has been modified with a lengthened body tube because the original was crushed in the package. So, proceeding in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Very nice. Up and over. And we have a nice parachute. And look at that. Ain't that pretty? Coming right down near the pad, which is perfect. All right, look at that. Let's go out there and take a look. This is one of those science fiction type models. It's painted in silver. It's kind of a difficult color to work with because it shows every flaw. And we have a nice parachute here. I've made some modifications to the recovery system. We're running out of battery power, so I'm going to let you go here and get you back to the Fun Day Puppet Show.